Okay, so the solution for the second challenge, it asked you to make the fish swim in a square that was exactly 150 pixels on each side. And so I first want to point out that each pixel is the same thing as a step. It's just a small unit of measurement on a digital screen. So anyways, a couple of extra things were really important to go into the reset code here. First of all, if you want it to look like the fish is actually turning, you need to set the rotation style back to all around instead of left to right like we did our last time. Secondly, if you started playing around with this, you might have realized that if the fish started far over to the right and then swam to the right, it would run off the screen. So you have to start it somewhere where it's going to be able to complete the entire path without going off the screen. So I put it up sort of in the top left-hand corner. If we hit play, we can see I started right up in this area. Then point in direction is another really important one. If the last time you stopped, the fish was pointed down, then when you hit start again, it's going to pick up in the direction it left off and swim down and then turn and go off screen. So you want to make sure that it always starts pointing in the same direction so the fish stays on screen. From there, the rest was relatively simple. Over and over and over again, we're going to move 150 steps. And I got 150 steps by repeating 10 times, move 15. If you simply just do move 150 steps, as we saw with the costume changes in the demonstration, the computer's going to do that so quickly that you're not really going to actually see the fish swimming, right? It just kind of looks like a light show or something. So I'm going to put that move steps inside a loop, and this will slow the movement of the fish down. And then after it's moved 150 steps, we turn 90 degrees. Of course, the angle of the square. So now we can see the fish is swimming at a smooth rate at 150 steps per side.